It didn't work. We were told that prosperity would start at the top and then trickle down. Close quote. Where did this phrase trickle down come from?
Oh, I don't know. It was as far back as the Roosevelt administration. There is a non-existent theory that is constantly being attacked. Some years ago in my newspaper column, I challenged anybody, cite any economist outside of an insane asylum. Who made that argument? Nobody ever came up with a single person.
So when Barack Obama says in this past July, quote, we were told that prosperity
Who told us?
Nobody told us.
Nobody
No
told us.
economist has ever held that. No politician has ever said it.
I don't know of anybody who's ever said it. In fact, when I put this out there, I went out to a nationally syndicated column. People wrote me and said, well, so-and-so said it, so-and-so said it. Find me the person who said it. I don't want to hear how A said it, B said it. Find me B and show me where he said it. And that was years ago. Not one example has been offered.
One of my favorite clips, we've used it on the show a minimum of probably 10 to 15 times, probably over 100 on my podcast. There is no such thing as trickle-down economics. It is not an econometric theory. It is a left-wing talking point to misdirect you from the fact that the 20% of earners in this country at the top pay 80% of the tax. So if they say trickle down, it leaves an image in your head that a bunch of rich people are eating and the scraps of the table are falling down poor. That's what it's meant to get in your head. It's not real. They made it up. Next time someone asks that, someone in the media should say, President Biden, can you please cite the exact econometric theory of trickle down and who invented it? He'll wet his diaper.
Larry Elder here. I want to talk to you about Tom in Texas, who wrote in about his experience with 100% drug-free relief factor. He's in his late 80s now, and he's one of those really active guys we sometimes hear about. Rides a bicycle, works as a flight instructor. Not all that long ago, he thought he might finally have to stop. Lower back, hip pains were after him all the time, it seems. He heard about Relief Factor, but it took some convincing for him to try it. He was skeptical. Lots of people are before they try Relief Factor. Thank goodness he did, because Tom's pain is gone now. My friend and I take Relief Factor. Hundreds of thousands of others have tried it, and about 70% of them go on to order more. If you're looking for a way to get out of pain, please give Relief Factor a try and see what it can do. Your first step to becoming pain-free just might be to order the 3-week quick start for only $19.95. Go to ReliefFactor.com, that's ReliefFactor.com, or call 800-4-RELIEF, 800-4-RELIEF. Feel the difference.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Balance of Nature, changing the world one life at a time.
I'm a physician, and I still see patients every day. And, so I tell my patients about this. And they ask me, well, what are you taking? So I tell them, taking Balance of Nature. And they go, oh, yeah, I've heard about that. So I tell them, I'll give your telephone number, 246-8751. And I tell them, call this number. And they say, they'll take care of you after that. So, I'm a primary care. I really think that it works well for people to have fruits and vegetables.
Start your journey to better health with Balance of Nature right now. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com for more information or to place your order. Shipping is always free, and don't forget to get 35% off your first order as a preferred customer by using discount code KSFO.
You don't need special gadgets to be a hero. With unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase everywhere, the Capital One Quicksilver card makes you the hero of every purchase. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for details.
Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Income may be subject to state, local, or federal alternative minimum tax. Rates rise, prices fall. When interest rates fall, prices rise.
There's one word we can all agree on today. Free. Everyone likes a free meal or a free ride. But how about tax-free income? Investing in municipal bonds can provide federally tax-free income that can serve as the cornerstone for your portfolio. Henyon & Walsh is a leading specialist in tax-free municipal bonds and provides individual investors with quality service and personal attention. Call Henyon & Walsh today to learn more about the benefits of municipal bonds. Call 1-800-761-9761 now, and they'll send their informative bond guide free. No obligation, no cost. Just dial 1-800-761-9761 today to receive a free copy of their informative bond guide, because free is always the right price. Call Henyon & Walsh today at 1-800-761-9761. Henyon & Walsh Inc., member FINRA SIPC.
Former Navy SEAL Sean Ryan shares real stories from real people from all walks of life on The Sean Ryan Show.
3 years ago today, we kicked off the first episode of The Sean Ryan Show, and since then, we have hit number 55 overall out of over 8 million podcasts. I think we spread a very positive message here on this platform, and we're going to continue to do that. Me and the team at Vigilance Elite just want to wish you the best.
The Sean Ryan Show on YouTube or wherever you listen.
We've all felt left out. And for people who move to this country, that feeling lasts more than a moment. We can change that. Learn how at belongingbeginswithus.org. Brought to you by the Ad Council.
You're listening to the Dan Bongino at Bongino.com.
Another show. Like guys, where I looked up. You're like, how the hell is the show over? I feel like I just sat down 5 minutes ago. Einstein was right. Time is totally gone. It's not a fix. Hey, thank you for all the prayers for my mother. I told you a week ago, I think today, she was in a car, bad accident, while she was walking the street. Basically destroyed the whole leg. She's coming home today from the hospital. So it's not home. Falling. Great. Yeah, so she's doing all that. I'll get to some of the calls. Such very serious. I can sense it. Right? Now, that's it's just like what sunlight before the day. Thank you. The Biden administration's goals of tax spending and spending blind eye information at odds with your goals of saving. Of course, when you've had enough of the games government, your savings and retirement, diversify the gold with Birch Gold, BIRC. That's why I buy gold. Birch Gold. For over 5,000 years, gold has withstood inflation, geopolitical turmoil, and stock market crashes. Here's the good news: you can still get. In fact, you can own gold and silver in a tax-sheltered retirement account. Birch Gold makes it easy for your IRA or pays for an IRA in precious metals. Here's what you need to do. 989898 to claim your free information kit on gold, and then talk to one of their precious metal specialists to hold your hand through the whole process. With an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, thousands of customers included in countless 5-star reviews, Birch Gold is who I trust to protect. Text Bongino, BONGINO to 989898 today. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Message and data rates apply.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
All right, let's go to the phones. Let's say Justin.
Hey, thanks, Dan. Awesome shows this week. I've got a very important. We know that the FBI has had the Hunter Biden laptop since 2019, but what we've never heard and never has been confirmed is that they have actually investigated what is in the laptop. I say deliberately on purpose because they know it would have prevented administration. They know there's crimes on there. They've sat on it. It's the Biden Protection Program and the destruction of Justice Department. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That was, great that the FBI deliberately sat on. That was interesting. Thanks, Justin. Great call, though. Appreciate it. Kind of got right to the point. Let's say Ken. Ken, you're on the Dan Bongino Show. What do you got for us?
Well, I want to say thanks for sharing the facts regarding the COVID jab with your audience, facts that I've been hearing from my doctor's office since the beginning. And Dan, now, I realize Donald Trump was misled when he was told about the vaccine and when he was told about the jab. That's why he promoted it. But Dan, I really think that we need to reach out to Donald Trump, and I'm sure he's listening to your show today, and get him to stop supporting the vaccine with all the facts that we now know. I like Donald Trump. I voted for him twice, Dan. But he still supports, he still promotes the vaccines. And
Ken, I'm so sorry listen, the show's ending, but I agree with you. I've said as much to people surrounding him as well. It's time to move on. I agree with you 100%. You don't have to convince me, brother. I am with you. Definitely time to move on. I'll see you back.
Securities and advisory services offered through United Planners Financial Services, member FINRA SIC. All investing involves risk, and there is no guarantee that any strategy will be successful. Don't invest and forget. Powered by Proxy and United Planners are not affiliated.
Join us for this educational and entertaining time with Tucci as he discusses the importance of having a financial advisor on your team. Don't Invest and Forget, powered by Proxy, has created a new standard of fiduciary service through wealth management, financial planning, insurance solutions, and business ownership services. Join one of our live seminars Thursday, February 2nd at Bonvino in Walnut Creek to see how we can help achieve your financial goals. Find out more by visiting our website, don'tinvestandforget.com, or call 888-PLAN. Again, that's don'tinvestandforget.com or call 888-PLAN-WISE for details.
I always wanted to learn Spanish, but I never thought I'd have the time. Then I discovered Babbel.
Babbel's lessons are fun. They only take like 10 or 15 minutes, and in 3 weeks, presto, you're starting to speak another language. Like magic.
I love that Babbel's lessons aren't just robots talking. They're voiced by native speakers, so you get the just right. And they're designed by real language teachers, so you learn how to have real-world conversations, things you'll actually use.
It's incredible. After using Babbel, I'm ready to start having real conversations in French.
There's all kinds of ways to learn. Use Babbel's podcasts or games or videos. You can even join live classes with a language teacher.
If you want to learn language, there's no faster, easier, better way than
Babbel.
Babbel.
Babbel. Babbel. Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO San Francisco, KSEN HD2 San Mateo, a Cumulus.
Check your record. Lisa Brady, Fox News. A letter to former presidents and vice presidents reportedly asking them to recheck personal records for any classified documents after the recent Trump, Biden, and Pence discoveries. Sources telling the Associated Press that letter went to representatives of former administrations dating back to President Reagan. Meantime, U.S. senators accusing the Director of National Intelligence of stonewalling requests for an assessment of possible national security risks from documents found so far.
Bipartisan lawmakers have demanded a damage assessment about AWOL documents for months. They've wanted information ever since the summertime raid on Mar-a-Lago and since the discovery of documents at the home of President Biden. It's unclear what's in the documents. That's why bipartisan lawmakers are upset.
Fox, a chat program on Capitol Hill, the intelligence community citing a cautious approach to releasing information because of two ongoing special counsel probes. Fired Memphis police officers now charged with murder in a traffic stop beating. Police chief criticizing the officers but appealing for calm before video footage is released. Body cam footage in a South Carolina courtroom at the murder trial of a now former attorney charged with killing his wife and son. The South Carolina state prosecutor played jurors the body camera footage from Colleton County Sergeant Daniel Green, who was first on scene. A visibly distressed Murdaugh is heard saying he believes his wife Maggie and 22-year-old son Paul were killed in connection with a boating accident in which a girl was killed and Paul was charged.
He's been getting threats. My son's been denying stuff we didn't take serious. He's been getting, I punched. I know that's what it is.
Now, Murdaugh's attorney questioned Green and a corporal about how they drove and walked over the crime.